Hello everyone, welcome to DCC NIT-A Agartala. Myself Tejas and I'm a second year electrical engineering undergrad. And today we'll be looking at the problem dragons. So let's read the problem statement first. Kirito is stuck on a level of the MMORPG he is playing now. To move on in the game, he's got to defeat all end dragons that live on this level. Kirito and the dragons have strength, which is represented by an integer. In the duel between the opponents, the duel's outcome is determined by their strength. Initially, Kirito's strength equals S. If Kirito starts dueling with the ith dragon and Kirito's strength is not greater than the dragon's strength xi, then Kirito loses the duel and dies. But if Kirito's strength is greater than the dragon's strength, he defeats the dragon and gets a bonus strength increase by yi. Yi is the I think yi is the defense of that dragon. Kirito can fight the dragons in any order, determine whether he can move on to the next level of the game. That is, if he can defeat all the dragons without a single loss. So, if we see this input case, initial strength of Kirito is 2. We have he has to defeat 2 dragons. The first dragon has attack of 1 and xi of 1 and yi of, and the bonus that he'll get if he can defeat this is 99. The second dragon has a strength of 100 and the bonus he gets is 0. So initial strength is 2. What if Kirito attacks the second dragon first? His strength is 100. So he'll be defeated and hence he'll not be able to complete the game. He'll not be able to go to the next level of game. But if he starts with the first dragon, he can defeat it easily and then he'll get this bonus 99. So his strength will become 101 and then he can defeat the second dragon too. So the basic approach of this problem will be to start fighting with the dragons who have will start first will be fighting the dragon which has less strength. Okay, so in this order if we keep on going then we'll be accumulating all the you know all the bonuses and the strength Kirito's strength will keep on increasing and there is a high chance that at the end the dragon with the highest strength can also be defeated by the accumulation of all these bonuses. So let's come to the code part. Let me take the inputs first. The initial strength and then we have n, the number of dragons. Now we'll be using a pair data structure. We'll be constructing a data structure. We'll name it pair. Sorry, PAIR pair. This will have two values, two data members. It will be int strength, that is S, and int bonus. We're creating a constructor. Now we'll be creating an array of pair. Okay, pair. The size of the array will be n. Now we'll take the inputs less than n, I plus plus. We have int x equals to, in each of the n lines will have two integers. So we are taking input. Now the x is the strength of the dragon and y is the bonus that Kirito will be getting if he defeats the dragons. So ARR of I will be new pair. The strength of this corresponding pair will be x, and the bonus will be y. Now we have our pair. So we have our array, okay, array of dragons with their respective strengths and bonuses. Now we'll have to sort this array on the basis of increasing strengths, okay, in ascending order on the basis of strength. For this we will use an inline custom comparator. You can read about these more in Geeks for Geeks or any other place. Now we have pair P1 and P2. We are sorting them on the basis of their strength. So this will get P1 dot S compared to P2 dot S, or we can write for P1 dot S, P2 dot S. So we have this will sort the array on the basis of increasing strengths. Now we can take a boolean variable, we'll name it flag, and initially we'll assume that Kirito can fight all the dragons. Now we'll run a loop from in the array, the array of I pair of now we'll traverse through the dragons one by one, and we'll see if S, that is Kirito's strength, is more than the dragon's strength. We'll add the bonus, else if this is not the case, our flag will become false, that is we cannot defeat all the dragons, and will break out of the loop. Now if flag is true, that is we didn't encounter this case even once, that is he was able to defeat all the dragons, then we print yes, else we will be printing no. I think this should work. Let's see if it works. There is a compilation error in the code. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me copy this code first. Line number 19 and 39. Okay. Line number 39. Print ln. Line number 19. Okay, we didn't change the name of the array. Name of our array is ARR. Now let's see. I think this should run now. That's the right answer, guys. You can look at the code once again. I'm using a custom data structure. It's a pair data structure. This is the code. This is a custom inline comparator. That's it, guys. Thank you.